Hi, I'm Gwenllian Lansdowne, Plaid Cymru's Chief Executive. This is a quick message from our new party headquarters in Atlantic Wharf. I thought I'd send you a quick message to thank all of you who've adopted a brick in the new headquarters. The response so far has been fantastic, but we've set ourselves a very ambitious target of reaching £10,000 worth of bricks. So for those of you who haven't adopted a brick yet, it's not too late. Either click on the PayPal button that you'll see underneath this message, or fill in one of the forms that you should receive over the next couple of weeks inviting you to adopt a brick. For that, your name will be written on one of the walls here in the new headquarters, and you'll also receive a signed certificate from the party president. So thank you very much to those of you who've already adopted, and to those of you who haven't, make sure you do. Thanks.